Welcome to the merry season of December. Today, I am sharing an easy homemade wine recipe that's perfect for the holidays. First, clean the grapes thoroughly to remove any dirt or residue. This step is super important for a fresh and clean flavor. Ingredients are boiled water, cleaned grapes, sugar, yeast, and some spices like cardamom and clove. And if needed, you can add raw wheat grains also. That makes the wine strong in the flavor. Add the spices, the elaichi, cardamom and the clove to the pulp mixture, and this will give a flavor to our wine. When the pulp was boiling, I went to help my son with the Christmas decoration. It is the little moments like these that make the December so special for both him and me. Please make sure that the container in which you are going to store the wine should be dried properly. Once the grape mixture cools down, pour it into the dry container. Make sure that it's really cooled down. It will take some time to get it cooled down. Don't fill up the container completely with the mixture. During fermentation, the wine will rise up, then it will overflow. So always make sure that some space is left out for the wine to ferment. Add some sugar to the grape pulp we have prepared, and this helps in fermentation. Once the mixture is cooled down, right? If you want, you can filter it out right now also. That is also not an issue. But right now, I was little lazy, so I prefer to put it as such. I will be filtering it out once it gets fermented. Like after 21 days, when I take it out, I will filter out the liquid only. Dissolve yeast in lukewarm water to activate it. This is a key step for fermentation. Add the yeast, the activated yeast, to the grape mixture that is cooled down. Make sure it is cooled down, otherwise the yeast will die and it won't get fermented. And now cover the top of the glass container with a cloth and tie it off. Don't make it airtight because we need airflow. That's why I have tied it little loose. Now keep the container in a cool dark place for fermentation. Give it some time to work its magic. If you are someone who don't want it to be too much fermented, you can start using it from the third day onwards. Thank you.